guys. Today we're going to go to Johnson's Lake. I saw it on YouTube because I really like the place, so I asked my dad to go there. And we got a new car because our first car is in service, so they gave us this big car. And so we just got everything ready right over there. The waves make it leave us alone. And this happened. We got some crawfish. This is him. Our boat just got a bit broken.
It will be okay.
Everyone knows that. Don't worry, I'm trying to save him somehow. We just got to this place. We chose to stay here because this place is really good. Today we're gonna catch fish. We're gonna go on the boat. And we're gonna do more stuff. What are you doing?
Oh, hi. You asking to try to catch some crawfish. And I saw on the Facebook,
Because they're yummy?
yes, I saw one very interesting way how we can catch them. We I brought two crawfish nets from marketplace. I will do this secret recipe. I not wanna share it for now. As soon we will make sure it works. And then for sure we will add some fish and maybe some meat. Bye.
And so we just got everything ready right over there. I'm gonna go with
What you got here, Timur?
got some stuff that like gets the crawfish to go, and we got a hose so we could set them, and it was really good. And also, all adults and kids have to use life jackets if the lake or the ocean are deep.
And when we will go to pick up those crawfish nets?
I think tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow.
We will leave it for overnight.
Okay, sure. Why not? Stick. Boy. Yes, you're going right, the right way. I'm gonna touch the water. So I was touching tree juice and I found some watered coal. And like I touched both of them and this happened.
What is your advice for new travelers? Never touch nothing what you never saw before.
Yes.
Now we're going to try to clean up his fingers. See you.
Strong crazy bets on me. try to unplug, but the feeling's gone. Walking in the wild, walking in the wild. You don't know why, you don't know why, you don't know why. Radio playing the cesspool stream. Oh, running down nightmares that used to be dreams. Walking the wild, walking the wild. And I don't know why. I don't mind the hustle and the tussle, I don't mind the grind. I don't mind pretending we don't see these signs. I don't mind the hustle and the tussle, I don't mind the grind. You and me dancing on a Gideon time. I don't mind the hustle and the tussle, I don't mind the grind. I don't mind pretending we don't see these signs. I don't mind the hustle and the tussle, I don't mind the grind. You and me dancing on a Gideon time. You and me dancing on a Gideon time.
Now my dad is using that chainsaw. Please don't listen to this. We got some crawfish. This is him. Our boat just got a bit broken. Don't worry, I'm trying to save him.